Hello all you beautiful people, how you doing here today? This is Lava Temptress and welcome back to our channel. Or if you're new here, welcome, hi! So today we're here with another Humble Bundle. This one actually came out last week and I kind of missed out on it. So it's still good. It is a software bundle called Learn Coding to Build Games 2021. And this one is actually pretty freaking cool, if I don't say so myself, because you're actually creating games in the whole process. And so, yeah, it is $1,250 worth of awesome stuff. I came up with a little bit about $50 more, I think. But yeah, so this one you redeem keys to access your content. So, it's on a different program, which it's the Zenva is where these are going to be. It'll always show you how much time is left. If you need to, don't forget to hit the reminder button because it'll send you an email to remind you before the bundle's over, which is very, very nice. You can click here to get the bundle if you already know what you want, or we'll go check it out after we scroll past and see what all is in here. All right, well, let's get started. So for just $1, you're going to get 5 of these. And the nice thing is they do say the MSRP underneath and what program it is, but I mean, it generally tells it in the title. But yeah, so if you click, you can see a little preview. It'll tell you a little bit of, it's just a little slideshow. I'm not a fan of these, but you know, you might like them, but you can also read a little bit more about what's in it. So the first one is develop a 3D action RPG with Godot. Now the MSRP on this is normally $50. Next we have mobile game development for beginners with Unity, and this one is also normally $50. Then we have, and see, I wish on here they would show, what I wish is that they would show the game, like just a little, give a little something. I mean, they show some screenshots here, but to me, that's just not enough. But it does tell you here what you're kind of doing, so. All right, next we have game development and coding for kids. This one is normally $50 also, and of course, it's in Unity. Next, we have create a platform game in Unreal Engine. This one is obviously in Unreal and is also normally $50. Then learn Python and Pygame by making a game. It is also normally $50. This one is generalized though. But think about this. What great practice, whether it's for kids or I actually want to pick up the top tier of this bundle for myself. Obviously, I'm an adult. I'm actually an older adult, you know, in the 40 range. And this is something I'm interested in. So for the dollar tier, you're going to pay just $1, but it's actually worth $250, which obviously makes it such a awesome deal. But the nice thing is the dollar, you get all these. So, you know, if you got a kid or a niece or nephew or friend's kid or whatever that wants to learn programming, even if you get the dollar tier, this is a fabulous start for them. All right, our next tier is a pay more than the average tier, which of course means that it does go up. It is based off what the average person is paying for the bundle, and a lot of times it even gets up really close to the bundle where it makes no sense to buy this one. You just want to get the top one because they're about the same price anyway. But as of right now, it's $19.04. Of course, this is at the time of me recording. It might go up even by the time this comes out. All right, so for this one, we get another 10 things to learn. So first of all, develop a city building game in Unity. This one is worth $50. Again, of course, you can get here, but I don't think their videos are the best. The nice thing is you can also click on the Zenville link and go to their website and check it out a little bit more too. But next up, we have publishing and optimizing mobile games, which is normally $50, and it's in Unity. Next, we have Unity 2D projects, Toads and Fireflies. This one is also normally $50 and of course is in Unity. Next up, we have bite-sized strategy game development. This one is normally $25, and it is also in Unity. Next up, develop a reusable quiz system. This one sounds really fun. It is normally $50, and it's developed in Unity. Next, we have create vector game artwork with Inkscape. That one's different. The Inkscape hasn't been brought up in here, so that's kind of cool. And that one is normally $50. Then we have Magica Voxel for beginners. Create voxel game assets, which, if you know anything, you can even create game assets and sell them. Just not even you creating games, just creating the assets. So that's pretty cool too. It is normally $50. And of course, it is the Magica Voxel program that you will learn in. Then we have develop a first-person shooter in Unreal Engine. This one is normally $50, and it's in Unreal Engine. See, to be able to create all these games and so many different styles of games in this bundle just really gets me excited. But next up, we have build a first-person shooter, and this one is in Godot, and it is normally $50. So if you prefer Godot, if you prefer Unreal Engine, they have both of them covered, which is nice. All right, so next we have bite-sized Godot game development. This one is normally $25, and of course the programming language is Godot. So that brings our total so far to $750. And of course, you're going to pay more than the average price, which at the moment is $19.04. Such a fantastic deal. Next, our last tier is $25, and it adds 11 more things, but one of them is, oh no, that's training too. All right, so 11 more things to learn in this one. So first up is Unity 2D project Worm Attack. It is normally $50, and of course you're working in Unity programming. Next, we have develop a technology tree for strategy games, which is very, very important. You definitely want to learn that. That is normally $50, and of course is in Unity. Then we have discover Azure PlayFab leaderboards. This is normally $50, and you learn the in Unity program. Next is discover in-app purchases for mobile games. This is normally $50, and of course it is in Unity. Now this, if you're developing a mobile game, I mean, I'm not telling people what to do, but it seems to be the free-to-play platform, and then having stuff they can purchase is the real winner. But that seems to be a trend I see. Then we have data-driven development with Unity Analytics. This one is also normally $50, and of course is in the Unity language. Then we have game audio effects for beginners. Of course, that's also very important, because if it doesn't match up, and nobody's going to want to play that. So this is normally $50 and is in Unity language. Then we have pixel art with GIMP, which is another art program, and it's for beginners. So the MSRP on this is normally $50, and again, I think that is so huge to learn. I've seen a lot of people working with GIMP. Then we have AR Projects Job Training App. This is normally $50, and it is for augmented reality. So this one, of course, is really cool because AR is like the thing to learn. Then we have hand-grabbing controllers in VR. So it's virtual reality. It's normally $50, and it's about learning how to use the VR devices controllers to learn to pick up things. You know, you want to get that down packed in game. All right, then we have make a puzzle game in Unreal Engine. It is normally $50, and of course it's Unreal Engine programming. And construct an arcade game in Unreal Engine. Of course, this is also Unreal Engine. These are fabulous. So this is why I've decided I'm going to pick up this bundle. I'm going to do the top one because there's a lot of stuff in here that I really, really just want to learn, even though I currently don't have the time to do it. But I'm going to try to make time along with all the other stuff I do. All right, so that is the bundle. Of course, Humble always supports a charity. This one is Girls Who Codes and code.org. And of course, the one for the month is It Gets Better Project. All right. And this little one down here is what all you could learn by picking up this bundle, which is fabulous. And I know it's some of the simplistic things, but you have to start a base somewhere. And so if you start a base by learning stuff like this, then you could just advance from there, which is the point of it. Oops, there we go, from Zenva. All right, so this one is very, very important though. A single key will be provided. What that means is you only get one chance to get a key. So if you end up wanting the top tier bundle, like I do, versus like the dollar bundle or the pay more than average bundle, you want to wait until you can pay for the very top bundle, because you will not get a chance to upgrade it later. I know a lot of people upgrade later, but this one you do not have that chance. So if you want the top tier, make sure and purchase only the top tier. All right. As you can see, the dollar amount disappeared. Sometimes that happens. That's okay. You can put it into custom amount, and the warnings pop up anytime you purchase anything other than the top tier. But all that's saying is that you're not going to get this tier unless you pay that much more. It's fine. You can purchase whichever tier you like. Don't worry about that. Or, you know, whichever tier you want, just click on that also. The Humble Choice, that add to cart is only for the Humble Choice. That is a monthly game subscription program. They are running a special currently. I believe it is $10 at the moment. But what that is a package deal of games that you get every month. So if you want to check that out, I have a video, or you can click on the choice tab here to check it out. Now, here's where it comes in handy, the choose where your money goes. There's so many different charities this time. If you have a particular one that you want it to go to, you can actually do that. You can choose just one. You can choose to give them equally, whichever you like, which is nice. All right. So if you want to give it as a gift, don't forget to click there, put their email in there. If you want to make it anonymous, click there because that's fun. But here's where you're going to go to pay. So pay with card, PayPal, Amazon, or Alipay. And that is it. Let me know what you think of this bundle. I think it is fabulous. I think a lot of people should learn even some basics of programming if that's the kind of thing you're into, obviously. If you're not into games, this obviously wouldn't appeal to you, and you're probably not watching the videos, so I'm probably not talking to you. But if I am talking to you and you haven't already, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell so you can see when all the videos come out. Again, thank you so much for being here. Let me know what you think. Leave me any questions or comments down below. That's it for today, so until next time, this is Love a Temptress. Don't get burned.